So let's say you have a character that has a very specific voice and you want to make sure that they have a consistent voice across your different videos and movies and whatever. So in order to do that, I'm going to come over here to the sound panel, click on voices, and this is where all of your voices are going to show up that you create. Or if you want to use the default voices, you can switch to this tab over here and use any of the default voices. But what I'm going to do is come up here to where it says create new voice. And here you can generate a voice by typing a prompt of what you want it to sound like, or you can come right here to clone a voice. In this case, I'm cloning a voice of myself, so I'm going to name it Scotty, and I can either drop in an existing audio file right here, or I can click this red button to start the recording right now. So I'm going to go ahead and click it, and now we can see that it is recording my voice right now as I speak and while I'm giving this presentation. So generally, it's good to record anywhere from about 15 to 30 seconds. If you provide it with a little bit of a longer audio, it might be a little bit more accurate, but I found that generally 15 to 30 seconds is a pretty good amount of time. So now it's at about 25 seconds. I'm going to click the button again. And here we can see the audio file that I just recorded. So now I'll just come here and click create clone voice. And just like that, I now have a clone version of my own voice. So if I come back into voices right here, we can now see I have a voice of Kira and I have a voice of Scotty. So I'll just select this voice. We can see that this is the voice selected down here. And just to test it out, I wrote, hello, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is an AI version of my voice. Does it sound accurate? Let's find out. So let's click the button and see what we get. Okay, and so after waiting for that, here is the audio clip. Let's see how it sounds. Hello, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is the AI version of my voice. Does it sound accurate? Let's find out. Okay, so there it is. Not too bad. And so that's how you create voices in Shortpulse AI.